What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally pulled out our Hellcat, man, and it was still raining, so that thing is still dirty, man. It got so much mud and dirt on that thing yesterday, man. We got to clean that thing up when some sun come out, but meanwhile, it is the next day. It's still misty as heck, wind breezing, wind blowing, and all the above, man. But we are in a garage trying to get these last two bikes situated so they can head out, man. So that means Atlanta and Jacksonville, Florida, man. We are on the way. The bike should be getting picked up today. Meanwhile, I got a few things to do on this CVO, so when it get picked up, it'll be 100%, and she can enjoy that bike a little bit better, man. Meanwhile, our Atlanta bike is ready to go, so I'm about to just get to this CVO and get it going. If I don't do most of the stuff on camera, man, I'm really just trying to get it done before the transporter gets here. But in the meantime, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the whole ooh and ah giveaway, you guys know we got our 2020 Silverado dually truck up for grab here together for first place with our matching 2021 CVO Road Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our wide body Hellcat, paired together for second place as well with our matching 2020 Road Glide special. So not only do you get a bike and a truck for first place, second place you get a wide body Hellcat and a Road Glide, man. Meanwhile, third place, you guys know we got a whole garage full of Road Glides. So third place, you will get your very own Everything Regular Road Glide special, man. I can't wait. You guys haven't entered in for a chance to win. All you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy your Everything Regular wallet. All the platinum wallets are already sold out, man, and the others are soon to follow, man. So go get you a wallet while you can. The wallets are only $35. Meanwhile, man, if you guys haven't entered, go do so. I appreciate you guys. You guys never know. It could be you next. We could be pulling up to Yodo with one of these bikes, or you could be coming out here to Houston taking delivery of this truck and this bike, or this Hellcat wide body and the bike both together, man. You guys never know. It's up to you. In the meantime, let's get this show on the road and see what we got going, gang. All right, so yesterday we was messing with our Road Glide right here. I know it looked like a Road King right now, but we was messing with our Road Glide yesterday. The only thing we got to do is put our freaking we got a lot of little things to do, honestly, but not a big deal. I'll worry about that after we get these two bikes out of here and we make some more space. So meanwhile, our CVO, we got to put this crash bar on here. However, we got to take this bracket off right here. So we got to do a little bit of different things with this one, only because it came with a different style crash bar. Meanwhile, we will get that switched out and everything else should be good to go. Now, I was waiting on the other piece for this turn signal, but being that we got a Road Glide fan right here with the right turn signal and all that, both of them, I'm gonna just take it out of this one and we'll be putting that thing back together when it finally comes, so we can be able to get this thing out and on the way to Jacksonville, Florida. Meanwhile, we still got to put a turn signal in this one, so we'll try to get to this one. This one's already done, so all the main stuff we just got to do to the CVO, man. So with that being said, let's get working. Yes, sir, man. Next morning here, we're supposed to be sending these bikes off for transport. However, I gotta go to SneakerCon, man. Our transporter was supposed to be here last night, but as you see, they didn't come last night. So, man, I gotta keep the show on the road. They'll be able to get in. In the meantime, I think I want one of these Alamo turkey sandwiches. I'm in Buc-ee's, man. Y'all know I ain't never been in Buc-ee's before. All of y'all been telling me, hey, man, go to Buc-ee's. Hey, man, go to Buc-ee's. So I'm finally at Buc-ee's. I done got me a bacon, egg, and cheese. We're gonna see how good this is. I kind of want one of these sandwiches, too. They look kind of good. I ain't gonna even hold you. Alamo turkey sandwich. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the Alamo turkey sandwich and see how that thing turn out for your boy, for your young guala. It's so huge in here, man. It's just, I don't even know where to start. That's the thing. I really don't know where to start, man. It's so huge. Never been in Buc-ee's before, man. Did you find what you need in this big store? Man, I gotta go to the other side of the store. Oh, dang. I think I found what I need. Woo! Man, we done finally made it. They still sleep and whatnot, man, but y'all see what it is, man. Come on, man. Y'all see what it is, man. We out here at the convention center. We got the U-Haul backed up over there, man. We got stuff to unload and all the above, but I feel like we in the NBA store or NBA arena or something like that, man, but I ain't gonna hold you. Pretty sick. We got the Sprinter over here. Like I said, it's SneakerCon this week, man, so we up here in San Antonio, Texas, getting it together, man. I can't wait. Let's see what we got over here. Let's see what we got over here, gang. My guys is in the house. What it is, man? Yes, sir. It's good, man.
Hey, how you doing?
How you doing?
Yeah, man.
V finna cut, yeah, 93 feet. It's been a long time, man.
I've been driving this thing. Boy, they need to put some ball joints or something.
Some ball joints on their thing, boy. That's funny, man. Y'all see here, man. We got stuff to offload, but we got the oohs and the ahs right here. We about to get everything going and get it moved in, man. I can't wait. Back to back in them things. My guys is over here. My guys is over here. Yes, sir. Sleep is sleeps.
Got that gas. Oh, that nigga had me down there dying and that was some pre-roll moon rock. I'm like, bro, I can't smoke no more.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
About your name, dumbass.
Look.
Oh, shit. Y'all got that. Y'all don't smell nothing in there.
I'm talking about 93. That's his name, right? I said you got that gas.
Got that
Man,
gas,
come on.
boy.
I know you ain't that tired.
Hey, he slumped.
Hey.
Yeah, for so long.
What Boo says it?
In the back fucking snoozing too.
Yeah, man.
Them boys tired.
Hey, what we gonna do?
Yeah, I guess we're gonna unload, but I don't know. He said we might have to pull up to do the ramp, but shit, I say shit, if the shit ain't heavy, we can just make it happen.
Man, we in San Antonio. They know the deal is, you know what I'm saying? We have a sneaker con going down this Saturday. Some of you guys probably missed out because you weren't invited.
Come on,
And we
gang.
still got drinks and cereal though, so at the end of the day, you already know how we come.
Come on, gang. It's
smooth way.
sprinters and all that back to back with the back to backs. Come on, gang. Movie. Alrighty, guys, we done finally made it indoors, man. Y'all see it's so freaking huge in here, so huge. Indeed, it is, man. We got eBay over there setting up. We got a whole nother kick store over there setting up. Then we got gang over here setting up. Y'all see what it is. Hyde Park, Johnny Dang, Dreams for Sale.
That right there goes.
That's a whole movie, man. It is a movie, man. Y'all see what's going on. Johnny Dang, Hyde Park, Dreams for Sale for the sneaker con, man. So if you guys are in San Antonio, man, make sure you pull up on your boy. I'll be here at Sneaker Con. We will be going yay, man. So we gonna figure it out, gang. It's a movie. Gang done bought the McLaren up in this thing, man. It looked like a little Hot Wheel car or something. Looked like Hot Wheels. Doors that go up.
Smooth.
That's how you feeling, gang, or what?
I don't know how to stop, bro.
I see what it is, man. We in here at Sneaker Con getting ready.
Keep going.
It's looking good though. Alrighty, guys, next day, man, it is finally packed out. You guys remember we came in yesterday and set up shop. It was like nobody in here, but everybody came in overnight and did what they do best, man. They set up, got all the kicks and sneaks in here, man. So look at our stand right here. This how we coming. Got the hardest booth in here. Dreams for Sale, man. Y'all see what's going on. Got all the oohs and the ahs. The McLaren on the flow. That's pretty dope. That's a pretty dope setup. That's a pretty dope setup. You guys see what's going on though, man. They got an eBay authenticity guarantee. So when you buy your shoes, you know they real. That's pretty dope. Dang, they got a line to go over here. They got the line, man. They ain't playing.
20 minutes. I live out near Congress.
They got the line, boy. What they doing over yonder? Man, they all trying to sell some, buy some, get in where they can. It's a movie. I need me some shirts. That's what I really do need. I need me some shirts, man. They got the barber right here. They got a little bit of everything up in here. They got a little bit of everything up in here, gang. Look, my guy over there getting a cut. Y'all see what it is, gang. Y'all see what it is. They got the Harley shirt. Exclusive vintage Harley. How a little get down. All the kicks in the mix. They got the oohs and the ahs. What's up, gang? It's pretty dope, man. Y'all see what it is, man. Y'all see what it is. The Louis Vuitton table? The Louis on the table? Let's see, man. I really got enough shoes, gang. I ain't gonna hold you. I got enough sneakers. I don't really need no more, but they do got some shirts. They got this nice Supreme hoodie I would rock right here. I like that one. That one's actually pretty dope. Boosie Boo, what you looking at, gang?
Looking for me some sixes, man.
Some sixes? Oh, man. Good luck. Good luck, gang.
What you looking for?
I'm just looking, man. A lot of stuff to look at.
Snapbacks too, man. I know you want a snapback, but I'm out.
DS, not BS. I like that. I like that setup. That's pretty cool.
So we gotta get under there, pop the shit, do the Keisha all over again.
What's up, man? How you doing?
He's outside, y'all. You wanna sell my chain?
He wanna sell my chain?
That's SSG Jeffrey, man.
Yeah. He like, yeah.
Yeah, Pat Lease.
Yeah, sign my chain.
This is Johnny Dime right here. We live at 5. Shout out to Sold Out Boys. Yeah. Sign the back of there. It's crazy. Yeah. Johnny Dime, baby. Bling, bling.
Bling, bling.
Appreciate you, Johnny.
Dying. It's up. No guns.
I like your piece, man.
Yeah.
Badass.
And just like that, man, we just made it back from SneakerCon, fresh off the Sprinter, into the vet, man. I'm about to head to the house and see what's on our front porch because we got a bunch of orders and everything there, right? Alrighty, guys, so we just made it home. We didn't move everything out the garage and everything. Got this thing, trying to clean up the driveway a little bit. It's been mud and stuff everywhere. Y'all see the puddle still right there. Dually truck is still dirty, but you guys remember we took out our Hellcat last week. Had to pull that thing out, get it like somewhat cleaned up. Now we don't got no armor rod to make it look amazing, but so far it does look better than it was, man. So getting this one all cleaned up, I'm about to pull this one back into the garage, and then I'm gonna pull the vet up, and then we can wash that. Then we'll take this one and get washed, and then we'll take that truck to get washed. And this one is white and I haven't drove it, so I ain't really even worried about it right now, honestly. Next morning here, guys, I pulled like all the cars out yesterday and washed them all. I washed the Lamb, I washed the freaking vet, I washed the Trackhawk, and I washed the Hellcat. Now I didn't wash the truck because that thing is freaking super big, but I'm gonna take it to get washed today. Meanwhile, let's check out and see what we got now. You guys remember it's been raining, pouring down, flooding here for like the last week and a half, and everything has been just oh so dirty. So to see this thing actually clean like this looks incredible. Looks incredible. Now I believe it rained a little bit last night, but we should be good today. We still got clear blue skies. I did clean the Trackhawk up. This thing looks amazing. The vet actually looks really good. We got to see this thing from this side so we can really see. Yeah, she looking good. I ain't gonna hold you. Vetiana looking good. On them daddy-os back there, man. Then we got our wide body right here with them rose gold daddies on there. Looking real good and clean. I remember last time we seen that thing, it was mud and stuff splashed all over. But now it's looking like something, man. I'm digging it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Comments below. The only thing we gotta clean up now is this. Cleaned the Trackhawk up. Took it for a ride yesterday. Pretty cool tracky. I even cleaned the bike with the oohs and ahs up yesterday. I rode this one yesterday, last night. And it was a really fun ride, man. So really fun ride. We're gonna see what's good though. You guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. So, alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in, man. We hit up SneakerCon in San Antonio, came all the way back, watched up all the cars, man, and even took a first ride. Now, you guys didn't get that first ride video because it was like freaking nighttime, and I know the daytime footage is gonna look so much better. Meanwhile, we did make it and back last night and had a whole bunch of fun doing it, man. So, I'm gonna actually be pulling out that bike later on today, man. I can't wait. You guys know what time it is. If you guys haven't already, man, like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you, man. You guys seen our Atlanta bike and our Jacksonville, Florida bike is out of here, man. We will be heading to Jacksonville, Florida tomorrow to drop off our Florida bike. Jacksonville, we will be there. I can't wait. Meanwhile, man, if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the whole ooh and ah giveaway, man, you guys know what time it is. We got our 2020 Silverado dually truck right here paired together for first place with our matching 2021 CVO Road Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our wide body Hellcat paired together for second place as well. Our matching 2020 Road Glide special. So not only do you get a bike and a truck for first place, you get a wide body Hellcat and a bike for second place, man. Meanwhile, third place, you see we got a whole garage full of road glides, man. You guys will be getting your very own everything regular road glide special, man, from me to you. I definitely appreciate you guys, man. All it takes is a little bit of support. All you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy your Everything Regular wallet. The wallet is only $35, man, so get in while you can. The platinum wallets is already sold out and the others are soon to follow, man. So if you guys want a shot at winning something great just for supporting your boy, man, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now and go get your wallet while you can. Meanwhile, man, I'm about to get back in here. It's Monday, bright and early. We're about to go check up on our wide body Hellcat and see the progress on that thing and then get ready for this flight up out of here, man. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys tuning in, man. Until next time, I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.